Stock futures dropped Wednesday as earnings season gained steam and Wall Street looked ahead to more key financial reports. Futures connected to the Dow Jones Industrial Average dipped 112 points, or 0.3%. S&P 500 futures and Nasdaq 100 futures lost 0.5% each. Shares of United Airlines fell more than 5% in pre-market trading on soft guidance, while J.B. Hunt slid 4% following disappointing results. Netflix and Tesla are on deck after the market close. Stocks are coming off a muted trading session. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose about 13 points, or 0.04% to 33,997.65, while the S&P 500 inched 0.01% lower to 4,373.20. The Nasdaq Composite lagged, falling 0.25% to 13,533.75. Tuesday's moves came as bond yields popped on stronger than expected September retail sales, and the yield on the 10-year U.S. Treasury note hit its highest level since October 6. Chip stocks such as Nvidia and Advanced Micro Devices sold off as the U.S. announced plans to tighten restrictions on AI chip exports to China. Wall Street continued to assess the impact of the ongoing Israel-Hamas war. Traders also parsed through third-quarter earnings reports, including results from financial institutions such as Bank of America, Goldman Sachs and Bank of New York Mellon. While the earnings season may only be in its early innings, 83% of companies have so far topped earnings expectations, while about 70% have surpassed sales estimates, according to FactSet data. It's not a surprise that profits are likely to surpass analysts' estimates, given that companies face an already low bar, said Anthony Saglimbene, chief market strategist at Ameriprise Financial. It's more about the outlooks and the direction of interest rates that are really going to inform the near to intermediate term direction of stocks. On the economic front, Wall Street awaits housing starts and building permits data for September. Philadelphia Federal Reserve President Patrick Harker, a voting member in the central bank's policymaking committee for 2023, said rates are at a level where further increases may not be needed. This is a time where we just sit for a little bit. It may be for an extended period, it may not. But let's see how things evolve over the next few months, Harker told the Wall Street Journal. He added that while recent data points to economic strength, contact with individual businesses indicates things seem to be slowing down. Chinese property developer Country Garden Holdings has said it does not expect to be able to meet all of its offshore debt obligations, Reuters reported. This comes as the grace period for a $15 million bond coupon payment expired on Wednesday, which meant that the company has likely defaulted on its offshore debt. In a statement to Reuters, the company said that it hopes to seek a holistic solution to resolve its existing difficulties.